I'm doing a full barbering class in the living room today. So I'm going and I'm driving to one of my students' homes that's 15 years old. The crazy thing is that I started in my backyard and I transitioned into a bedroom. So if you're cutting hair in a really random location or you're just looking to get started, this is a perfect video to digest, to really study, because it doesn't matter where you cut. As long as you have a couple lights, your iPhone, and you have Instagram, you guys can be able to market some pretty good work. So the principles that I'll be teaching Raymond are all directed from the School of Barbering, which is my academy. I have 2 academies. One is a free one, Preschool of Barbering, and I have the School of Barbering. If you guys are interested, click the link down below in the description. But either way, let's just begin. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you guys leave some comments down below in the comment section. I feel like I'm forgetting something, bro. That's right here. Hey, Papa. Hey, buddy. I recently moved about 2-3 months ago to this place, and it's pretty dope. It gives me a place to work remotely, and it's pretty guarded and it's nice. It has some cool amenities and stuff. It's good going to the class. I started in my bedroom, so that's where I was cutting at. I was 22 though, I wasn't 15. I had minimal resources, but I had a phone, I had some Wi-Fi, and a tripod, and some clientele that was ready to get messed up, which were all my friends. And I think if you're a person out there that's just trying to start something, the sooner that you start, the better, the more time that you have to mess up. And you have to accept the fact that at some point, you know, especially in the beginning, you are gonna suck. At anything that you do, you will suck in the beginning. I had this little thing with his name's Raymond, so I told him, like, give yourself a set amount of haircuts that you're gonna suck at. So I was like, set a number and don't judge yourself. So if you set 100 haircuts, that's your goal. Hit 100 haircuts, and until you get to 100 haircuts, then you can criticize your work. Hey, you know what? I got so much better from haircut number 1 to haircut 100. And I think that's the mentality that a lot of people need to have. Not even barbering related, but just when you guys start something new, just accept the fact that you're gonna suck and stop comparing yourself to other people that have way more repetitions. So that's just the name of the game, is reps, reps, reps. All right, we're getting started, brother. Let's take the showcase. Let's see how you take the showcase. What haircut are you gonna give him?
He wants like a burst fade again.
Make sure you're using your ring light. Always, you see?
Yeah.
No, it's a big difference. Go for it. Nice.
Like that?
Cool, that's perfect, bro. Start there at the corner with only those 2 teeth right there and hit that middle point. Perfect. All the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. And then go back. Right there, a little bit lower. There you go, nice. What'd you think to go with the 0.5?
Because I usually go lever open, 0.5 open, like if it was the one closed. Fade that in, and then open the one, and then fade that in.
Okay, well now don't use the 0.5 guard. Just use the 1 guard. But make sure you go high enough, okay? Because his hair is kind of like, there you go, perfect, like that. And then you have to comb the hair back again. There you go. Nice. Yeah, just keep it nice. All the way around the ear. Right there, nice. Nice. And where did you hit the beginning with the 1 guard?
Right here.
That's the guideline though, right? But when it was closed with the 1 guard, where did you hit it?
I started right here.
Perfect, yes. So that is where you're gonna hit it with the lever closed, with the half guard, but you're gonna just gently flick up. If you're scared, start with that in the middle and then work your way into the open, but you don't wanna go all the way up. The middle point is your boundary. Like you don't wanna go higher than the middle point. This is like literally all detailing. Don't go that high, don't go that high. Right there, perfect. And just work that area around the whole guideline. Perfect. All the way close. Just barely the beginning. Just use those 2 teeth right there.
Three closed, like flicking out, no?
And then what else?
2.5 to the 3.
And then after that, there's one more
1.5
guard.
open?
Yeah, there you go. There's one guard missing, which is the 1.5. How far up are you gonna go with the 3?
Just like right
Like
here.
a finger? Graze the hair. Exactly. Let's go ahead and put some product in there. Put it through your hands more. And you want to scrunch it. There you go. And just keep scrunching the hair. You want to make sure that everything's in the same position that it was. Let's move this closer. You see it? Then you want to tilt it right here.
Yeah, to where his nose.
Where his nose is at the corner. Then I'm gonna put, we can also mess around with the exposure. 1, 2, 3. You don't want to spin the chair. I see you do this a lot.
Yeah.
You're always down here.
You just put it up higher.
You just put it up higher over here. Then we can get on this side over here and see how it looks. It's a little too bright still. So you see how I moved this? It's almost literally at the corner. And I tilted it back over here.
To like make it less bright?
Less bright, yeah, less yellow. You see the difference though with the HDR? That looks kind of weird. Just literally change the lighting. Just make sure this is set all the way in the back over there.
Gracias.
Thank you so much. This is client number 2. Let's get the before right here. This looks pretty solid, bro. That's from this. It's gonna be like a little blowout taper, huh?
Yeah, type.
I want you to let the viewers know what you're thinking right now, bro. When you're going through the process right now, like what are you recording?
Fixing him to like the way I want him to look out in the video.
Yeah.
And then like setting up my lights. So like it shows like his size good and stuff.
I'm not gonna take any with my phone, alright? So whatever you get there is what you get. Tilt his head away, do it. There you go, tilt his head. Look, you see that there's really nothing, like you're not recording anything. Right there, click real quick. 1, 2, 3, stop recording. Right there, you see, everything's nicely, perfectly centered in. So from the beard, you do want to go from the bottom up. No, from right there, tilted like this. Let's tilt his head over here. Perfect. There you go, that's fine.
3 open, flicking out.
Let's go on with the thinning shears. Put your middle finger on his cheek and then do what I showed you and just use the left corner of the blade. Make the first reference point there at the top. Just like a quarter of the blade. A quarter, there you go, right there. Swipe to the right. There you go, nice. Because his hair is growing to the left. Now you're gonna flip the trimmer and then there you go, like that. And then you're gonna attack, no, you're gonna use it, there you go. Like that, you're gonna use the right corner and attack the beginning of the sideburn. Just stop right there, stop right there. Just keep doing that, but don't go any higher than that. Now you're gonna use the left corner and connect it in the middle. Nice, like that, perfect. So you wanna connect it from the end of his eyebrow.
Top of his ear, no?
Yeah, right there. No, a little bit lower.
Like this
right
thing
there,
right?
yeah, that thing right there. Like that, yeah. But you don't wanna tilt it to the corner like you were doing.
Go straight.
Yeah, just do it straight, but use a very light touch. Yes, exactly like that. Perfect. Now you can go up with the grain.
Middle, and then opening it all the way, and then closing it. One open?
Yeah, never go next step 0.5. Just do the 1 guard, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, never go 0.5. Sometimes you gotta comb the hair too. You see that little, even that little hair too that's combed back over there? First, angle the client to how you want him to be. Plus, then we gotta move the lights. The light is coming from over here. We got this light over here. So we have two lights right here, and this is basically almost wrapped around like that. Tilt your head a little bit like that. Always tilt them. When did you start working with me?
It was like November.
Like late November?
Yeah.
How many haircuts did you do around that time?
Like I only did like 3.
And how many do you think you've done so far?
Like 53, 54.
So what made you get to 50? I guess I feel like a lot of kids that start cutting, or anybody that starts, what they stop. You know, so what's keeping you going?
Just trying to keep it consistent, trying to keep someone in the chair every day. Like doing 4 or 5 cuts a week. That's what I've been trying to do.
What do you tell yourself when you mess somebody up?
I'm just be like disappointed, but I try to learn from my mistakes, not do it again. Fix it next time I cut someone up.
Do you watch like tutorials and stuff after you mess up? Like, does it motivate you to, yeah? What's been your worst haircut ever?
My worst haircut? Probably one of the homies. I like cut him on the side.
What's his name?
Danny.
Shout him out, bro. You have to show him some love.
Yeah. It was like a long line right here.